Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Teacher Dex Channel TV. And today is March 23. It's Tuesday. So, sa lahat po ng hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe ng aking YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Teacher Dex Channel TV. And of course, do not forget to press the notification bell para makareceive po ng latest video ng ating YouTube channel. And this time, I would like to present to you the different types of chemical reactions and on how we are going to balance equations, chemical equations. I'm done with the different gas laws. There are 6 gas laws. So I've already presented with you. So this time, abangan nyo po ang ating types of chemical reactions and on how we're going to balance equations. So, ayan. So, there are different signs of chemical reactions. First, change in color. Second, change in odor. Third, we have evolution of gas. Fourth, formation of precipitate. The next is the evolution of light and heat. Next is change in temperature and energy. And of course, the last is change of form. So there are 5 types of chemical reactions. First type of chemical reaction is we have the synthesis reactions. Second, we have decomposition reactions. Third, single displacement reactions, followed by the double displacement reactions. And of course, we have the combustion reactions. You need to be able to identify each type. So I'll be presenting chemical reactions, and all we have to do is you have to balance equations and identify each types. So the first type of chemical reaction, as what I've told you, is we have the synthesis reaction. Synthesis reaction is also known as combined reaction. So example, we have C plus O or carbon plus oxygen gives us, let us try to see. Okay, bakit kaya ang symbol po ng oxygen is O2? Ang carbon is only C. Okay? Because oxygen is belong to the 7 diatomic elements. When we say diatomic elements, these are the elements that exist in nature into atoms. Okay? So the product is CO2. Okay? So let us try to see the general equation. A plus B is equal to AB. You are just going to combine. Okay? So that is synthesis reaction. So, let us try to predict the products. Na plus Cl2, what will be its product? Okay, so Mg plus F2, and we have Al plus F2. Let us try to see, we have NaCl. And the second, we have Mg plus F2. And the last one is Al F3. Bakit kaya? Always remember that in writing the chemical equation, we have to use the oxidation number. The oxidation number of sodium is positive 1, and we have the oxidation number of chlorine is negative 1. Okay, crisscross method, so that the oxidation number of the first element will be the subscript of the second element, and the oxidation number of the second element will be the subscript of the first element. In the example number 2, Mg, the oxidation number of magnesium is positive 2, and the oxidation number of fluorine is negative 1. So crisscross, so nagkaroon po tayo ng MgF2. And in example number 3, we have Al plus F2. The oxidation number of aluminum is positive 3 and fluorine is negative 1. So crisscross, nagkaroon po tayo ng product ng AlF3. That is the example for the synthesis reaction. The second chemical reaction is we have decomposition. The decomposition is the opposite of the synthesis reaction. Kapag nag-combine ka, ang gagawin mo ngayon sa decomposition is paghihiwalayin mo. Example, we have NaCl. So NaCl, okay, NaCl, so what its product? So Cl plus Na. And what is the general equation for that is we have AB is equal to A plus B. Take note that there is always an arrow. The arrow indicates the direction of the product. The arrow indicates the direction of the product. And now the third is we have the single displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction example, we have zinc plus copper chloride. So this time you have to identify which is the positive ion or which are the positive ion and which are the negative ion. So zinc and copper are the positive ion and chlorine is the negative ion. So pagpapalitin mo lang po yan, but we have to consider the oxidation number of each element. So let us try to see. Okay, so Cl2, okay, copper chloride plus zinc. Yan po yon. So what will be? Pagpapalitin mo yung partner po ng zinc and copper. So pagpapalitin mo lang po yon. So we have zinc chloride plus copper. Okay? So in general equation, we have AB plus C is equal to AC plus B. And that is the third type of chemical reaction. Okay, the fourth type of chemical reaction is we have the double displacement reaction. So example, we have magnesium oxide plus calcium sulfide. Okay, so magnesium is positive, calcium is positive, oxygen is negative, sulfur is negative. So what are you going to do? So magpapalit po yung partner po ng calcium and magnesium. Yung dalawang positive, magpapalit po sila. But take note, let us always consider also the oxidation number. So magnesium oxide plus calcium sulfide will give us magnesium sulfide plus calcium oxide. Okay? Yan po yung sinasabi nating nagpalit po yung partner ng dalawang positive ion. So what will be its general equation? General equation, AB plus CD gives us AD plus CB. Pinagpalit po sila, the equation. So that is for the double displacement reaction. So dadako naman tayo sa last type of chemical reaction, which is the combustion reaction. In the combustion reaction, okay, a hydrogen or hydrocarbon compounds reacts with oxygen gas. So we will be dealing with the hydrocarbon compounds. Ito po yung CH4, C2H6, C3H8, ganon. So it always reacts with oxygen gas. So this is also called burning. Okay, in order to burn something, you need the three things in the fire triangle. Let us try to see the fire triangle. Okay, there is what we call the fuel, that is what we call the hydrocarbons. We have the methane, ethane, propane, butane, and so on. We have also the oxygen. There is also something to ignite the reaction, and that is what we call the heat. Okay, combustion reaction in general, we have CXHY plus O2. It always yields carbon dioxide and water. So laging ang product po is carbon dioxide and water. Products are always carbon dioxide and water. Although incomplete burning does cause some byproducts like carbon monoxide. Combustion is also used to heat homes and run automobiles. We have the octanes as in gasolines, and which is the formula is C8H18. Okay? So that's it. So we have pentane plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus the water. Okay? We must always take note that it always reacts, or hydrocarbons reacts with oxygen that yields carbon dioxide and water.